If you are here due to the coronavirus taking away your precious babies and closing down schools, like this video in solidarity. Because as teachers, we miss our kids. Yeah. At the end of this video, I'll be showing briefly how to access and use my specific template that I think is just a manna from heaven to help your students easily navigate through all the resources and material that they need for that specific week, and just something that's more kid-friendly, because Google Classrooms, you're not kid-friendly, just saying. So click the link below and download that resource. So now for the manna from heaven, my lovely template that I made. As you can see, we have so many materials and activities and videos and pacing guides in so many different sections, and it goes on and it goes on. And our parents kept reiterating how overwhelmed they felt with all the different assignments that they have. So I took it upon myself to just try to create something to help alleviate that feeling of being overwhelmed, because we don't want our parents to feel overwhelmed. There's a lot going on, and we want them to be able to get online and have their children learn and kind of let us take the forefront. So here, I created a subject or a topic by adding a topic here. And I created that topic and named that topic as all-in-one assignment. So this is where all of my templates will go on a weekly basis. So if you can see, this is for spring break assignments. And I left a little note just saying, hello, kindergarten fam. We have created a document that's easier to access all work for the assigned week. And I gave them some tips, only to view in presenter mode, and, just letting them know there's no need to go and sift through all the different tabs anymore. All of the work that is needed is here, except for our enrichment class and if their child is receiving RTI. I'm gonna go ahead and click it, and here it is. And I'm gonna view it in presenter mode. Look at the lovely kindergarten team. I just had to add them on to our specific template so the kiddos could see our faces and just know that we're still kind of with them, although we're so far away. Here it says to click image to access the section needed. So once again, everything here is clickable. So they could click math and get right to their math and see what's due for that week. So as you see at the top, it says Wednesday, Thursday, and what they have to do on Friday. And then if you go ahead and click this again, the image of the math, it says click image to return to main slide. So you could go ahead and click that, and it'll take you right back to the main slide. And then you could go to another section that you need and watch whatever you need. And then you could keep track of what you need to watch or what assignments you have to do by looking up at the top where it has the day of the week. I actually show you the second page. So on the second slide, it's a pacing guide. So it tells your students exactly what you need to do. And I left instructions how to edit that as well. So here it says to click link to access video. So for my school, we have them watch videos and then complete interactive assignments for them. So on Monday, you could see exactly what you have to do for each subject: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then each week this pacing guide will change. My kindergarten team, they go ahead and input whatever materials and content that they need for that week. And then we post onto Google Classrooms. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how we do everything. Say it is Monday, and we want to do our common and proper nouns day one. So I'm going to start with writing, and here is that video. I know that this is the right assignment because it says Monday. I have the objectives here, so I know exactly what I'm doing, and the instructions here. So you could go ahead and just click and watch the video in the actual template without leaving the template and going to YouTube. So the kiddos are able to just sit here and watch this video. If they needed to enlarge it, they could enlarge it without leaving the slide. The kiddos would watch the video, and then on the next slide, they would take the assessment or hand in whatever activity is due for that day. Again, it says Monday. And then here it says to click tablet for access. So you'll go ahead and click the tablet. And then here's her assignment. So I'm gonna go ahead and click my little writing notebook and go right back to home. And I'm gonna go and click math to access math. So here was a graphing data worksheet that they had, and they watched a video with me, and then they could go ahead, click the tablet for access, and it takes them straight to Google Classrooms without any interruptions, which I love. And then they're able to complete and turn in their work here. Hopefully this template helps you to organize your Google Classrooms and materials that are posted. Stay updated with my newest resources by following my Instagram at Pryceless Resources. You could also search my store, Pryceless Resources, on teacherspayteachers.com.